welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today I'll be unwrapping my brother FS155 computerized sewing machine. So I had one before, but because I wanted to upgrade, so I got this one. So this one has a lot of stitches, 100 built-in stitches, 55 character stitches, quick set bobbin, built-in needle threader. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unwrap the box. There we go. So I'm guessing this would be a cable that connects the machine from the plug. Okay, I'm not sure what is it, but I'll just quickly unwrap just to find out what is inside. Oh, okay, it's just a cover from a machine that I won't have to leave it uncovered. So this is a cover. Okay. This is the fooder. So this, I'll connect it to the machine and then I'll have to use it to control my machine while sewing. I'm not sure what it is for, but we'll see. Okay, those are other tools that I will definitely use while sewing. So, oh, I think it's for cleaning because it's this tiny brush and this is a seam reaper. Yeah, and a few other tools that I don't know. Okay, this is the manual book, so I'll definitely have to go through it just to learn a few things that my machine didn't have, the one that I had before. So this is English, and then this is language, I don't know. Then it also has a DVD video. So yeah. Okay. So let's see. So this is the machine. So as you can see, it has different stitches, about 100 stitches. Then those are also going to be other stitches for lettering, I mean. So you can use it to like write a name or write something on clothes or anything. Then it also have like flowers, yeah, different stitches. So yeah, so those are all the things that we need to know. Let's just look at the bag. So yeah, it's just a lovely machine, and I think it's easy to carry it anywhere. And yeah, okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, inside we have a few accessories. So we have bobbins, different folders. So, and this one, I'm guessing it's the one that you use for inserting a button. Then we have the organ needles. Then we have different types of needles as well. And yeah, yeah. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do another video where I'll show you guys step by step as I'll be connecting the machine and also illustrating on a few other stitches. So thank you, bye.
I love you till the